So you may have just seen that My AI is a new little thing that Snapchat has made. Now, what is My AI? Well, essentially, it's Snapchat's own ChatGPT thing that they're building in right into Snapchat. I think it's interesting. I think some people may use it. I think they're just trying to pander as quickly as possible to kind of fix some things and get ahead of the curve so they don't stay behind like they did on Android. They didn't really optimize the Android app for many years. Actually, right now it's still not optimized, but with My AI, I think it's cool to have this type of feature. If you want to go ahead and enable it, right now, it's only available to Snapchat Plus members. So keep that in mind. If you're somebody who's trying to go ahead and try to, enable it, you will have to have Snapchat Plus in order to actually do it. So in order to sign up for Snapchat Plus, which, I think is kind of overpriced, but if you want to try it out, you don't have to even, the same functionality can be, had for free on, ChatGPT. So just keep that in mind. But essentially what you can do is get into your Snapchat app. You can go and click on your profile in the top left corner, and you will be able to see that little Snapchat Plus icon right here. So what you want to do is you want to go and click on Snapchat Plus, and you can go ahead and purchase your Snapchat Plus membership. You can pay $30 a year, or you can pay $4 per month. Now, like I said, if you would rather just have it for free, you can just not even use Snapchat entirely and just go straight onto ChatGPT. But if you want to, you can purchase your membership from here, and then when you're ready, what you can do is go and swipe out of here, and you should be able to swipe to the side, and you should be able to see your My AI option person that comes up right here. So I think they should be pinned to the top or somewhere up here, and from there you can just go and chat with them as you normally would. So let's say this was the My AI person. Well, what I can do is just tap here. I can go and see whatever they have to say, but I can also swipe to the side, and I can go and start chatting with them. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.